Real talk, mamas. There is absolutely nothing more exhausting than planning a 5-star vacation, packing up your dream strollers, and then feeling a massive wave of postpartum anxiety hit the second you touch down in a foreign city miles away from home. If you're dealing with that heavy chest, the racing thoughts, and the constant what-ifs while trying to enjoy a luxury getaway, you are not alone. In fact, stepping out of your comfort zone can trigger total panic mode, but you do not have to let it ruin your trip. Today, we are spilling the tea on how to manage postpartum anxiety like an absolute boss, handle your triggers like a VIP, and protect your peace while traveling far from home. Welcome back to Milky Way Travels, your go-to spot for navigating motherhood without losing your luxury aesthetic or your mind. We believe that stepping out into the world with your little one is an incredible experience, but it also takes a massive mental toll, especially if you are navigating those raw postpartum months. You deserve to experience a beautiful getaway without feeling trapped by fear. Grab a glass of sparkling water, sink into your seat, and let us dive into the ultimate game-changer hacks for protecting your mental health on the road. Let us start with the absolute baseline strategy for managing the physical anxiety overload while exploring a new city. When you are far from home, the lack of control can feel completely overwhelming. The ultimate power move here is setting up a portable safe zone right inside your luxury hotel suite. The second you check in, recreate the exact sensory comforts of your nursery back home. Unpack your favorite high-end organic nursing pillow, plug in the exact white noise machine you use daily, and set up your premium cordless breast pump right on the vanity. Having a familiar, high-tech breastfeeding setup acts as a massive psychological anchor. If the busy city streets or crowded museums start to trigger a panic attack, you know you have a peaceful, bougie sanctuary waiting for you to retreat to, decompress, and nurse your baby in total comfort. Next, let us talk about handling logistics without the stress, because nothing triggers anxiety faster than feeling unprepared. When you are flying far from home, the fear of running out of premium supplies can spiral quickly. Eliminate the guesswork entirely by leveraging luxury concierge services or high-end baby gear rental apps to have organic diapers, familiar formula, and top-tier strollers delivered straight to your resort before you even land. If you are a breastfeeding mama, managing your supply while anxious is tough, so pack a sleek, insulated travel chiller into your designer tote bag along with a pre-written emergency card in the local language that details your medical needs. Knowing you do not have to hunt down specific American brands in a foreign pharmacy removes a massive layer of mental friction, keeping your travel stress levels at absolute zero. Finally, give yourself permission to completely flip the script on what a successful vacation looks like. Postpartum anxiety loves to tell you that you are failing if you are not out exploring every single landmark. Throw that pressure right out the window. If spending the afternoon ordering room service, wearing your favorite plush robe, and nursing your baby overlooking the ocean is what keeps you calm, that is a massive win. You do not owe anyone a packed itinerary. Listen to your body, protect your breastfeeding relationship, and remember that taking care of your mind is the greatest gift you can give your baby. Managing postpartum anxiety while traveling far from home is an ongoing journey, but with the right mindset and a few luxury hacks, you can absolutely conquer the world. If you love these tips and want more real talk on motherhood, high-end travel, and breastfeeding education, hit that subscribe button right now. Give this video a thumbs up, and drop a comment below telling us your ultimate tip for staying calm on vacation. Thanks for hanging out with Milky Way Travels, and we will see you in the next one. Safe travels, mamas.